Hey guys, it's Fun Fox here, and today we are playing Military Simulator. Yeah. Alright, I don't know why I'm playing this game, but just found it. So, alright. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, comment down below. Would you want to go to the military? Because if you wouldn't, Dad, that's great. If you would, you might die. Alright, let's get started. I am not knowing what I'm gonna expect. Like, I feel like it might be like my probably is gonna be like my Arsenal, just Arsenal video, Arsenal caps, exclamation marks. Yeah. Except it's a simulator, so I'm not sure. Freeze people! Ice shotgun. Probably just like what I'm trying to say. Why can't I think of the word? Christmas kind of thing, like Christmas update. It's taking so long to load. There we go. You're loading in. That cough was because I needed a cough, but I'm mad. I recognize this symbol. Like, I don't want to be rude. I really don't want to be rude. I don't want to be offensive. I don't want to be anything that's gonna get me demonetized or stuff like that. But yeah, isn't that the Nazis flag? I really don't want to be wrong and then just say that. Alright, let's play. Okay, close. I don't... Oh, cool, boombox. And mute music. There we go. Boombox it. Yes! What we got? Oh my god, okay. Wait, do I have the boombox now? Do I get to use this? Right. This item is not certified for sale. Your account has not been charged. Then why is it in here? That's stupid. I'm gonna get a passport instead. Oops, is this what I should have done? Okay, should I? Sorry, alright, I do not have Robux. Alright, how do you get back? Where am I? I don't even know where I am, and I'm already lost. Let me go through. Yeah. Wait a second, you can climb it? Nah, I don't think you can climb it. But it is like little guard donkeys. Look how good the... Oh! These dogs! They're so cute. Alright, where can we go to with this passport? What did I just see? You look as weird as I do. Maybe even more weird. Look at those. Did you not just see those little beaties? What do we need a passport for? What the? Okay. One. If I keep on clicking that, it's gonna take too long. What am I supposed to be doing here? I hear shooting and I want to get into the action. Border. We're gonna pass the border, everybody. Because we have a passport. Oh, this is like what we saw in the beginning, I think. Wait. Alright, come on, tech work. Wait. Okay, cat. Ah! Shit. Oh, it didn't work! This is too loud. This is way too loud. What? Wait, what? Revenge? In the shop. Play. Well, that sucked. Alright, so when we get here, I'm gonna have to turn down the volume, really. Just, really. That is so loud over there. Alright, everybody, we're gonna need my passport out. And we're gonna be all happy and saying greetings to everybody. Because the other time I died. Oh, cool. Wait. This is what I was knowing that was gonna happen. I'm just turning down my volume, okay? Alright, so just click. Alright. I got my passport. Why is it? Wait, I got my passport. Why is it not? Is it still super loud? There we go. It's not loud anymore. Ah! What is wrong with you? Dude, just stop killing me. Oh, it's because I'm an immigrant, I bet. Just because I'm an immigrant. Stupid. Alright, what are we supposed to be able to do here? That bro's just gonna come in and kill you. I'm gonna need to be safe. And not die. Well, can I go in here? Oh my god, I was actually able to come in here. Probably no point of this, but yeah. Is there a point of me being in here? Because I want to find a way to get something that killed somebody. What? Can I go in the burning bus then? I'm actually in it. I want to see if I can go in in here. No, I'm sad. You just made me sad, everybody. You happy? What's the point of this? What is going on anyways? Okay, I'm gonna go back up there. Even though I've already died there around like 3 times. Well, immigrants. They're all mad. People are mad. They're shooting everybody. You hear that? Wait. You know, okay, I'm just gonna leave. Bye. What's the point of this? I don't know why I joined this game. There's no point. Wait. Pets? There's pets in this? Oh my god. I want to see if you can... Yeah, of course. Okay, get off of there. I've learned some tricks from past games. No! Wait, how are they so good? They're just like... Oh my god, they're just like people from Arsenal. Also, why did I do this? Why did I spawn myself in there? Because I don't know where I am now. Okay. Jump up and die. I was able to make it. There we go. That worked out. Alright, I'm gonna have to get my passport out and get going. Because alright, I'm gonna this time not cut the line. I'm gonna wait in that massive line. Because yeah. Yeah. Dude! What are you doing? Don't you dare try to come and kill me. You saw me! Ah! What is wrong with them? Why are they killing me? This is not fair. everybody else, but they're all attacking me. Why? Do they hate me? Do they hate my YouTube channel? Or I am so confused. When I go up there, I'm gonna yell at them, don't kill me. It's not fair that I'm getting killed a bunch and everybody else is going freely. Okay. Wait. Don't kill me. Do you need to be a boy? Hey. Hey. Wait. Good morning. Good morning. Don't you dare! Okay, bye, I'm leaving. I was almost able to escape. Are we not allowed to go? I'm gonna ask them, can girls not go? So that's not fair. That men can go, but us girls can't. I'm gonna leave. Better get out of here. Don't do anything. Okay, never mind. Alright. And girls not ass. What? What? Opinion of Herman. Wait. Fix the line. Okay, I'm going behind. Bye. You go first. Please don't kill me. Dude, I'm moving. The car's right there. Here. What the heck is wrong with them? You know what? I cannot beat these people. They're like, you know, I don't care for you. You suck. Get down in the ground. Go to the sewers. You know what? I'm leaving. If you guys like this video, give me a thumbs up. And to all those people there that are rude to me, you're gonna be in this video. I'm gonna say this to you. You guys suck. That's mean. Why were you all killing me? So anybody that was in that area, I'm telling you, why were you killing me? Okay? I'm Fun Fox here, and I'm out of here. Bye.